Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious seafood soup in Dreamlight Valley. This simple recipe requires just 3 ingredients. You'll need 1 piece of any seafood and 2 pieces of any vegetable. These ingredients are readily available throughout the valley, making this a great dish for boosting your energy or selling for star coins. Let's gather our items and head to the cooking station. To get started, let's talk about sourcing your ingredients. For the seafood, any fish or shellfish you catch or find will work perfectly. Common options include clams and oysters found on Dazzle Beach or shrimp caught by fishing. As for the vegetables, feel free to use any 2 you have on hand, like carrots or tomatoes. Once you have these 3 items, you're ready for the next step. Now that you have all your ingredients, it's time to cook. Head over to any cooking station in the valley, such as the one in your house or at Ramai's restaurant. Interact with the stove to bring up the cooking interface. Simply drag and drop your 1 seafood and 2 vegetables into the pot. Once all 3 ingredients are in, confirm your selection and watch your delicious seafood soup come to life. Congratulations, you've successfully made seafood soup. This fantastic dish restores a minimum of 340 energy, making it perfect for long days of foraging and mining. Alternatively, you can sell it for a minimum of 85 star coins. Remember, using higher value seafood and vegetables can significantly increase its energy restoration and selling price. This simple 3-ingredient recipe is a quick and easy meal anytime you need it in Dreamlight Valley.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.